Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 8th standard. Today I will discuss about India physical features. This is the physical features map of India. So first see what are here that physical features means what? Physical features means that it is not coming the political boundary or political states anything. That physical features means mountains, plains, plateaus, etc. Now this is the very long chapter, so I have divided into some parts. This is the first part. India lies, everyone, in the southern Asia. Due to its physical features, it is unique and it is different from other regions of Asia. So, why it is different? Because here we have seen all the physical features, whatever is there, different type of physical features means mountains, plains, plateaus, somewhere plain land also, plain land, maximum part plain land. So there is a different varieties there. On the south, it is bounded by the southern side, you see, it is bounded by Indian Ocean, and eastern side by Bay of Bengal, and western side by Arabian Sea. And so this is eastern side means southeastern side, we can say, that is Bay of Bengal. So this is three sides is covered with oceans and means water bodies. That's why southern side only ocean and both the sides sea and bay. So this feature we are saying peninsula. So Indian southern part is a peninsular region. In the northern India, in the northern part, it is bounded by mountains. Which mountain? That is Himalayas. From here to here, that is Himalayas and Himalayan range. In brief, we can say that the India comprises a land boundary to the northern side. No ocean is there. So land boundary in the northern side and ocean boundary. Here this is the ocean boundary in the southern side. So it has a great variety of landforms. Already I have told different landform features already we have seen here. What are those? Mountains, plains, plateaus. This side we have seen mountain. This side you see plain land. This is northern side, this is plain land, and southern side, this is Deccan Plateau. So these landforms include mountains, plains, plateaus. Also we can say that is coast. These sides are, both the sides are coast. What is coast? Beside the seaside, whatever the features we have seen, means whatever the land area we have seen, this area, see that this area and this area, that is the coastal land. So coast, and also not only that coast, here also islands are also there. Where are the islands? You see this island, that is Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and this island here, this island, that is Lakshadweep Islands. So these all together we are saying that is the physical features. Now these different physical features we have seen here. So according to physical feature, we will divide into into some parts. According to physical features, we will divide in here into some parts. What are those parts? That is, first part is Great Northern Mountains. This is the Great Northern Mountain. Second one is Great Northern Plains. Means this part is Great Northern Plains. Only means wherever all the plains means what? Wherever all the rivers are going that here this is Himalayas, and from Himalayas Ganga is coming. So Ganga and its tributaries are coming. So tributaries are making here one plain land. So that is known as Northern Plain, this part. Then number 3, Great Peninsular Plateau. Which one? Great Peninsular Plateau. This part is Peninsular Plateau. This is Great Peninsular Plateau. Number 4, that is the Great Indian Desert. Which one? This side. This side, that is Rajasthan, and in Rajasthan that is third desert is there. So that is Great Indian Desert. After that, fifth one, the division is Coastal Plain. Coastal Plain, this area, this is the coastal plain. This both the sides are known as Coastal Plain. And number 6, Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat. Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat are the two mountains. So this side is this is Western Ghat. Here this part just after Arabian Sea, that is Western Ghat. These Western Ghats, this part, and just opposite side of beside there Bay of Bengal, that is Eastern Ghat. This part is Eastern Ghat, that is the mountain, and both are mountain. After 7th one is divided into island group. Island group means these two island groups are there, I have told you. Here Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and here Lakshadweep Island. So we have divided our India into 7 groups. That is Great Northern Mountains. Number 2, Great Northern Plains. Number 3, Great Peninsular Plateau. Number 4, Great Indian Desert. Number 5, the Coastal Plains. And 6th, that is the Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat. And 7th one, the island groups. So this is that slowly this is the just division physical features, that is the divisions of India. Next means slowly I will discuss about that the in detail of these each and every physical features. So be with me and you will see the next all the other parts. This is first part, second part, third part. In this way I will finish the Indian physical features. That Indian, here only next video I will discuss about Indian that northern, Great Northern Mountains, means this is the Himalayas. How many parts it is divided and what are those mountains are coming, etc. So hope that it will be helpful for you. Thank you everyone.